Welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel, Accessible Computing, Access to Technology with Accessibility. Hi, this is your tech assistant Ratul. What will happen if there is a malicious software or malicious application in your PC or computer? I know you are thinking so much, right? How can I know? How can I remove everything, right? If you want to know how to do this, you have to do some small task. First, you have to like this video. Second, share with your friends and family. And third, you have to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest videos. And last but not the least, you have to join our Telegram channel. The link is in video description and also first comment. So let's start today's episode. To do this, we use Windows Malicious Software Remover tool. You can activate this tool by going to Run dialog box. Press Windows R.
Windows R, Run dial.
Now here I am typing MRT, M for Mumbai, R for my name Ratul, and T for time. Then press Enter.
MRT, Enter, Desktop, Folder View List.
Now give the user access or administration access by pressing Alt-Y, or you can click on Yes button.
Alt-Y. Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 5.
So here you need to just click on Next button or press Alt+N.
Alt-N. Please choose a type of scan. Please choose a type of...
Now there are 2 to 3 types of scanning options. I'm pressing tab once.
Quick scan. Scans it.
So first option is Quick Scan. Quick Scan will scan the most possible areas of your computer where the malicious software or applications can be installed. I'm pressing down arrow here.
Full scan. Scans the in.
Full scan means it will scan the whole PC. It will take time, so I'm not doing this right now. I'm pressing down arrow again.
Customized scan. In addition
Customized
to
scan. So you can tell your PC a particular folder for scanning. The PC will scan and let you know. So I'm choosing Quick Scan for now.
Quick scan. Scans it.
I'm pressing Alt+N to go to next.
Alt-N. The tool is scanning your computer for
Okay, so the tool is now activated and start scanning. In the meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Facebook page and Facebook group. So it's now scanning.
51%.
51%.
65%.
It will do all the tasks automatically. You no need to do anything more.
75%.
So how you are enjoying this video, let me know into the comment section.
81%.
If you want to connect with us, you can connect on Telegram.
89%.
If you have any doubts and queries, you can easily contact with our Telegram groups or Facebook page. Or
Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool 5.101.19137.3. Dialog. Has focus. Scan results. Dialog. No malicious software was detected. View detailed result.
Wow! No malicious software found in my PC. If I press tab.
Cancel button.
Cancel.
View detailed results of the scan link.
So if you want to view the details results, you can just use this link. Or
protect your PC link.
Or
finish button to activate.
Finish
press
button.
Spacebar.
So I'm pressing spacebar here to finish, and the tool will automatically get closed.
Space. Desktop. Folder.
So this is the way you can check and secure your PC easily. This is for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.